Get those lightning deals ready. It's Amazon Prime Day in 2021. But when will Prime Day be this year? My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. This video will have some speculation with no firm details on when that date will be. T3 speculates that the Prime Day in 2021 could be July 12th and July 13th. I heard just moments ago from another source that it might actually be at the end of June this year. So there's a lot of speculation right now, a lot of people talking about that today. I do not have any firm information to suggest that Prime Day is going to be at the end of June or if it's going to be in the middle of July. But what we do know is that for several years, it was in the middle of July. Last year, it was in October just due to the COVID situation. And Amazon has been very willing to make changes or make updates that they feel will help increase their sales, their public relations, and their attention. So in my opinion, it would make a lot of sense for Amazon to list its Prime Day in the middle of June this year. So that's kind of what or towards like the last week in June, somewhere in that time range, right? So I actually think it's pretty logical that Amazon might pull a fast one and make Prime Day at the end of June this year. So whatever you do, if you want to participate, be ready. Have a calendar built with all of the discounts and deals, depending on how sophisticated you are. You know, if you do 5 million or more a year on Amazon, you absolutely want to be running a lightning deal. If you're under 1 mil a year, it's questionable. It's very expensive to write to launch a Prime Day lightning deal. But if you get lucky, if they put you into that special prime location real estate on that given day, you will sell out. A typical discount on Prime Day is usually between 15 and 20%. If you go deeper than that, maybe you might get better lightning deal placement. But I wouldn't necessarily think it'll improve your conversion rates. And quite frankly, in Q4, I actually advised everybody to not run discounts for Prime Day in October of 2020. And the reason I did that, and we'll put links to the videos where I talked about this, but the reason I did that is I felt strongly that most people had a supply chain issue where they wouldn't have had a really good outcome to putting a discount in play and then stocking out by, say, Cyber Day, Monday, or Black Friday. So this year's different, though. If your supply chain's in good shape, you might want to run a discount this year at a coupon at the very least, maybe a Prime Day exclusive discount, video for that here, or run a lightning deal or a 7-day deal. Just give it some thought. Make sure you're ready and you've got those things submitted this week or next week because the deadline is going to come fast. I believe the deadline, I think in the T3 article even mentioned that it might be as early, April 23rd, 2021 here is the deadline for lightning deals, and Friday, May 28th for the Prime member vouchers, which I think is another way to say the Prime exclusive discounts. So give that a whirl. Let me know what your thoughts are, what your speculations are in the comments section, and be sure to look at this other video we have on last year's events over Prime exclusive discounts in case you're curious.